Good morning everyone. Today we've decided to wake up really early and go for a hike around Sevenoaks. We are in a deer park. Let's just try to find where the deer are. Oh, they're there. Ah, there they are. Hello. Hello dear. Obviously you can't approach them quite close because they might attack you. Well, I think they might anyway. So we got so lucky today. We got invited to the White House. So let's go in. I'm just kidding. That's actually private property. Look at that. It's majestic. Hello. Yeah. Oh god, this one is full of fruits and I have no idea what's happening there. Look at that. I'd be so annoyed if my neighbor, look, plenty of it, I haven't got any. Plenty, nothing. Danger, danger. So this is the part of the hike that I really hate. Up that hill. Let's go. Hello. How you doing?
3, 2, 1.
Are you okay? Oh my god.
It's quite high. Oh no! Are you okay?
Yeah. Oh dear. I feel like I might have twisted my foot. Shouldn't have done that, but it was it worth it, you think?
Yeah. We've still got 3 miles to go though.
3 miles. 3 more miles to go and I'm limping, so that's not very good.
They were there.
This feels like a haunted forest.
It does feel a bit creepy.
So creepy. If it's not for the sound from the helicopter,
yeah.
I would feel like we're in the middle of nowhere. We're going back to town now, aren't we?
Yeah, but we soon get to that big deer park again.
Okay, good. I don't know if you can see them, but they're literally looking at me. Hi! I come in peace, please don't hurt me. I think that's maybe the mom, maybe? The one with the big horn. Hi! Hola! So that was the whole hike. It's about 10 miles and we're now back in town, and I think we've booked a restaurant for 1 o'clock, I think. So it's just perfect. Just gonna do a change of clothes because I'm sweaty, and then yeah, that should be it. If you guys enjoyed the video, click like and subscribe.